Hi everyone, in this video you will learn about how to measure the head circumference. What is head circumference? It is the measurement of a child's head around its largest area. It measures the distance or the size of the head from above the eyebrows and ears and around the back of the head. Why there is need to measure head circumference? As it is not a diagnostic tool, but it is a simple and non-invasive measurement, most specifically done on infants and young children. At the early age of life, the growth and development of the brain is so rapid. These measurements will be used to monitor brain growth, and they will also identify the potential issues. If the normal values of the head circumference measurements deviates from the normal values, they indicate the underlying conditions. These underlying conditions are hydrocephalus or there may be microcephaly. Head circumference measurement values, when they deviate from the normal range, they are the indication of underlying pathological conditions. These are hydrocephalus, in which there is excessive fuel buildup in the brain, most specifically that is the CSF fluid that is built up in the brain, and microcephaly is the other condition in which the size of the head is smaller than the average head size. In this condition, there are several neurological disorders, seizures, fits. With the timely and routinely measurements, they are also involved in early intervention, as they will detect any defect in the early stages and it will facilitate in the diagnosis and treatment of diseases. As shown here, it is a head circumference measuring tape. It has measurements on it. They are provided with both inches and centimeters. So the results can be taken in both inches and either they can also be taken in measurements. So they have dual reading. Sometimes they can be provided with one measurements, but on this scale they are provided with two measurements. What is the normal value of the head circumference? The child at birth, the head circumference is normally 32 to 38 centimeter. Then during the first year of life, the growth and development of the brain is very rapid. At the first year of life, there is increase in growth 1 centimeter per month. Every month there is increase of 1 centimeter. And then after that, there is increase of 2 centimeter every year. 1 to 3 years of age, there will be the increase of 2 centimeter per year. Then after that, 3 to 5 years of age, there will be increase of 1 centimeter per year. Let's come to the procedure how to measure the head circumference. First of all, wash the hands in order to avoid any type of contamination transfer to the child. The child whose measurement has to be taken, make sure that they are seated comfortably or just lay them down. Now place the measuring tape just above the eyebrows and the ear. As shown here in this picture, the measuring tape is placed just above the eyebrow and above the ear. Now wrap the tape comfortably around the head. Make sure that it is flat against the head without any gaps. And it may also make sure that it is not too much tight or not too much loose. Now read the measurements carefully. Repeat the whole procedure. For accuracy, it is recommended to repeat the measurement 2 more times. Now record the accurate reading. The measurements are recorded to be compared on monthly basis to assess the nutritional status of the child. These given are the WHO growth standards for boys and girls for the head circumference. As you can see here, at the 1 month, the head circumference for the girl is 14.4 inches and for boys at the first month is 14.6 inches. Then similarly, on every month, these head circumference are measured and these are compared on monthly basis to assess if they fall in the normal range, to assess the nutritional status, and to monitor the growth and development of the brain of the children. Thank you for watching and keep watching other videos.